Zakat is compulsory on every Muslim, irrespective whether it's a man or a woman, whether adult or minor, whether sane or insane, as long as he's a free citizen. And he has surplus wealth or savings which has reached the nisab level or above it, and he has that wealth or surplus amount or saving for one complete Hijri year or lunar year. Then Zakat becomes compulsory on that particular Muslim, and most of the time, most of the cases, it is 2.5%. So basically, there are few conditions required. Number one, that person should be a Muslim, irrespective of whether male, female, young, old, sane, insane. It doesn't matter, a Muslim. Number two, he should be a free citizen. Number three, he should be a Sahib Nisab. That means he should be the sole owner of that surplus wealth. Above the basic requirement, whatever savings he has got, whatever surplus he has got, he should be the sole owner of it. It should not belong to somebody else. And it should be with him for one complete lunar year or Hijri year, as it's mentioned in the Hadith of Tirmidhi, Hadith number 631. The beloved Prophet Muhammad said that Zakat is payable on the property, but natural, which is surplus on the wealth, which a person possesses and has with him for 1 year. And the last criteria is that Zakat should be paid from lawful earnings.